Okay, today we're talking about Homebrew. Homebrew is a command line tool that you can use to install third-party packages, third-party apps, and a lot of cool things that you can do inside of a shell command using Homebrew. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to visit in my browser brew.sh, and this is where you can read up about Homebrew and instructions on how to install Homebrew. So if we go ahead and copy this line about how to install Homebrew and open up a terminal window and paste that in, we can easily install Homebrew within a few clicks. Okay, and just like that, that's how easy it is to install Homebrew. Now if I type in brew-v, that'll give me the version of Homebrew that's currently installed on the computer. So what are these command line tools that we can use with Homebrew, all the different apps and third-party packages that we can install? Well, you can visit brewformulas.org, and there is a big list of different tools and libraries that you can use in here. And I would kind of just go through and check it all out. There are a lot of brew formulas that you can use to add a lot of cool things inside of your terminal or your shell command. So one specific one that I'm going to use is called Terminal Notifier, and if I go here to github.com/alloy/terminal notifier, you can even Google Terminal Notifier and it should be the first result. So I'm going to scroll down on how to download, and you'll see here that we have the instructions is brew install terminal notifier. And a lot of ways of installing Homebrew formulas or Homebrew packages is just by doing brew install and then the name of the library or the package. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in my terminal. So brew install terminal notifier. And it's going to go ahead and download that and install that. And so what exactly did that do? Well, that downloaded this application that we can now use, or this command line tool that we can now use, and you'll see that we have examples on how to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy this and paste this in my terminal window, and you'll see that we have a notification up here. So what it does is it allows us to write shell scripts or even command line arguments that will notify us on our Mac. So I can go ahead and just create a custom one here and say terminal notifier title on the title dash message. This is the message, and then it'll notify me on my Mac. So it's very cool and it's very easy to get set up with Homebrew and install third-party packages and third-party apps. I would recommend checking out Homebrew formulas for all the cool stuff that they have.